What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and just in case you're new here, I go hunting for Hot Wheels every day, and then I crack them open right here on my YouTube channel. Today we have a special episode. This is the white episode. We're gonna crack open 4 white cars and get started with this one right here. This Corvette C7 Z06. Found this one recently on the peg, and I could not let it go. I had to pick it up, and now let's free it from its plastic jail, and let's take a look more closely. So like I said, they're all gonna be white. Got a nice black tampo on the hood. Got some nice headlight detail. There's the Corvette logo. We have some black 5-spoke wheels. There's the black plastic base. Got a little bit of taillight detail. See Corvette very clearly. Pretty nice little casting. Alright, that'll look nice with my other Corvettes. Let's put it right there next to the Lambo. Alright, next one up, we have a BMW M2. If you saw the red episode, you know I got the red one of this as well. The red one had no tampo at all. This one has some nice little stripes on the side. Now let's look at it more closely. Alright, there we go. Got some chrome split 5-spoke wheels. This one does have side view mirrors, unlike the Corvette. Rolled up windows. Looks like we got a little bit of paint defect. Doesn't look perfect around the wheel. Kind of a bummer. No headlight detail, but you can see the BMW emblem. This side looks better. See what I mean? Like, see around the wheel, all white. Around this wheel, you can see the metal through the paint. Kind of a bummer there. No taillight detail either. Not even a BMW badge. It's kind of a bummer. Not my favorite of the bunch. There's the plastic base. Yeah, I mean, kind of disappointed, but that's how it goes. They can't all be winners, I guess. They're gonna put that one right there. Alright, next one up, we have a McLaren Senna. This is the first one I have of this casting, and it looks pretty nice through the blister. I'm a big McLaren fan. I'm really liking supercars and hypercars, and Hot Wheels is really delivering lately. Alright, here we go. Got, let's see, 10-spoke black wheels. Beautiful white paint, a little bit of black tampo, some hood vents. Really dark windows, but you can still bank out the steering wheel. Got a roof scoop. Can barely make out the McLaren logo. No headlight detail. Big metal wing. But there is some nice taillight detail. Oh, you can see McLaren back there as well. And then the plastic diffuser. Pretty awesome casting. This probably would not be that good on a track because of how big the hood or the nose is. I feel like if it was going to go up a loop, it would probably get stuck. But that's not what I do with these anyway, so it's all good. Oh, nice teardrop. Very, very awesome. Really into that casting. I want to get some more of those for sure. And last up, we have a Revolt Roadster, aka convertible. Looks like it has an Italian flag theme, going with the white paint. Now Lambos are my primary focus, trying to get every Hot Wheels Lambo under the sun. These are honestly my least favorite wheels, but I like at least that they're like black and gray. When they're black and white, they look kind of funny. There we go. So that's where the engine resides, back there. There's the interior. Not much detail in there, at least not the steering wheel. The seats and the center console looks good. Headlights look good. Lambo emblem looks pretty good. It's a little bit off center. Yeah, but overall, I like it quite a bit. There it says Lamborghini on the back. See the exhaust. And there is the plastic black base. I like that one quite a bit. I do want to get some more Reventones and Aventadors. They're kind of hard to come by. but I look forward to getting some more of those. So those are the 4 vehicles of today. Those 4 beauties right there. I would like to thank each and every one of you that watched today's video. If you're into Hot Wheels content, then subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. And we will see you guys tomorrow.